So hi, me again, and welcome back. So in the part before, I created this nice cute lamp. Now, very quickly, I was also telling that you can use two methods for this. First of all, you can make it to look nice and round and smooth, just using smooth modifier if you put a lot of sides here, or you can use subdivision. It's up to you, because I will try probably save sides and polygons. I will try to make it like you can use smooth and also subdivision, but we'll see. Also, we did very nice bulbs. Also the wire inside. By the way, I deleted the wire because it was eating a terrible lot of polys. Of course, if I will have a nice big computer with a lot of RAM and stuff like that, it would be not a problem. But because I don't need the detail there, I deleted that and kept just this. Now I will do the next lamp, maybe the third one also in this part, or I will start with that. And in the next part, or in some parts, we will do the materials and stuff like this. And also I'm doing these models to use after in some environment. Probably we will do a nice interior, but first we need models. It's nice to have a library of the models, then you can use that. And really, you can see that to model something like this is very easy and quick. Okay, let's do the second model. Now let's go to front and draw a plane. Now let's press M to the editor. You already put it here, the map of the lamp. Let's just check how it's big, like 500 on 500. Okay, strange. No, never mind. Just drag it there and push this. Now, I know this lamp should be height 1 meter. Yeah, 99 centimeters or something like that. So I will use value of 100 to 100. So we have a lot of space which we don't need. Like we need just this, but I will keep it like it is. And also, still I have here some parts, so probably I will do it a little bit bigger, like 110. It should be more scalable to this lamp. So again, I will convert this. No, I will just freeze this. So properties and freeze. Ignore this one, and we can start a model. Now we have an easy job because again the shape is going from a cylinder. So we will just create a primitive, the cylinder, and after make the rest of the shape. Now we have the bulb which will go here and here, so it's not a problem. So it will be quick, and we can also do these wires here, but it's up to you. Probably we don't have to. You saw that you just have to make a spline and this box here with the switch, and that's all. But yeah, we can do it. So let's go for the cylinder. We can start from the middle. Now I will draw here just a cylinder, rotate it by 90 degrees, and place it in the position, change the color. Now I'll call it lamp 2. And the sides, we can now try, we had before 24, we can try 26. Maybe it will be better looking with a smooth modifier. And even if it's not looking so good, you can anytime chamfer the edges a little bit, and it will look more round. Now let's just show this quickly. Maybe a lot of you know this, so I will just check one edge here, loop it, and apply chamfer value like this. And if I go here, you can see that now this edge is looking more smooth. And like with this technique, you can make model smoother and without using after subdivision. So back to our model, to our initial shape. So just convert this to poly. Now surely we can drag this here. We'll just check this one and drag it here. And the same we will do here. Now these joints here you can do from this shape or from a separate shape. Now we'll do it from a separate shape. It's much easier, more quick than do it from the same shape, but I think it's good to know that you can anyway do it like that. Now let's try to place it here, somewhere here. Yeah, this is good. So okay, let's select the top poly, and we will again use bevel. Bevel is a very useful tool. You can use it for all the stuff you're making. It's quickly creating anything you can imagine. But of course it have to be symmetric. Sometimes it's a problem, but usually no problem with that. So we'll just do a few bevels, and after we will do some details here and there, like it is really from a different shape. And of course you can also chamfer these edges here. I'm not doing like bevel every centimeter. I'm doing not big bevels, but bigger. So you can again select this edge and chamfer it, and again the shape here will be much more smooth than it's now. Now we'll do the inside the same way like we did this one here. Now again, you can do it from a different shape, but why not do it from the same shape? So let's go for a while to perspective, and we'll try to inset this. We'll inset this with the mouse. So let's keep it like this. Again, front, Z to zoom, and we'll bevel back. So bevel back and inside. I will try to copy the shape when we was beveling up. Come on. Now sometimes it's really hard to select these polys. Come on. Now, okay, can select. Let's just use the keyboard for this. Anyway, it's the same like with the mouse. Okay, with the mouse it's much faster, but with this you usually don't make any mistakes. More accurate than with the mouse. And again, when you have a trouble, try to solve it, not to like go behind. Okay, this is not fitting. I will close my eyes, but really try to solve the problems. It really helps you after if you're doing something more difficult. And anyway, people will appreciate that. So the bottom we can do like this. Again, Alt X, and let's go to perspective. Z to zoom on our model, and yeah, very nice. Now let's go to the bottom, and after I will come back to the top. Okay, now here's again something. Now we can bevel this, or just make extrude, and after do that, it's really, you can see you have a lot of freedom if you use bevel. You don't have to do, or polymodeling, you don't have to do the stuff right in the moment. You can just make, or even you don't have to make any extra polys, you can make them later. So now this will be a little bit hard. I hope I will not do this too big. I mean too sharp with the bevel. Okay, one more. And now just simply I will go down. Okay, again, I will do the details later, or we can start to do them now. Now, I don't like this much. I would like to make this a little bit bigger. So let's go to perspective, and we'll try to scale this. Let's go to front Z to zoom. Yeah, now it's a little bit better. Now I'll pull this a little bit up. Okay, and I can keep this like it is. Now, I will go here at the bottom. I will make one extrude like this. Now, I will loop this edge and extrude the edge. We'll see the value a little bit later. Oh, this is way too much. So like this. Again, I will select these two edges around, chamfer them with a small value. I will also select the bottom poly, control edge, and chamfer also this bottom. Now in perspective, I will inset this. Now let's back to the front view. Now let's look here. Now of course we need to chamfer this one, and here I'll try the mouse. So I'll do here 2x chamfer. Now as you can see, if you do a 2x chamfer, the shape is already looking smooth. Now this is very useful if you want to use really just the smooth modifier, because you can do double and triple chamfers. It's actually very easy because you make a chamfer and the next chamfer will be the half of this one. And if you do it like that, your models will be always smooth. Now the same counts here, so if I will chamfer this shape here double times, it already looking much more smoother like before. Now I will loop one more time this, probably drag this a little bit up, and this one here we can again chamfer. Once we can chamfer also this one to be not so sharp there, and very easy and very nice. Now let's select these edges here, loop them. Again, we'll do a chamfer, rather small one. Now here's nothing, and again here. So here and here I will again loop and make an extrude. We'll use smaller value, I think. I think this is too small. This should be fine. And again, I will select this one, oops, this one, this one. Okay, just go here, and again the same. Now this should, oops, this should make the model looking that it's not connected like nothing, like there is something between. There is not just one shape, there is more. Now what I selected more. Okay, let's quickly select everything again. Now also try to keep attention what you select, because this is a simple model, but if you have a model where is a lot of polys and stuff like that, and you probably will do a bad chamfer, because you will select something bad, make the chamfer, you will not see it to the time, and after you will do something on the back on your model and you will notice that, oops, I shouldn't chamfer that. And the same is by deleting. So really try to keep attention to that. Usually I'm making some mistakes all the time, but you don't have to. So again, here again chamfer, because we don't want to have sharp edges, of course not. Now let's go to perspective. We can drag this away a little bit. So, and let's go here, and we will make the place for the bulb. So, first of all, we can inset that. I don't know, like this. I will also drag this a little bit away, and now probably just a few bubbles. Okay, I will do it from the front view, Alt X. Oops. My bad. No, I can't select that. Oh, so okay. So I don't know. I will just do some random shape, which I like, and it's looking like okay. It could be a bulb. You don't have to have a big one, because anyway, a lot of the space will cover the bulb. So make just something like this, and we will again make some chamfers. I think this should be probably enough. And to make the stuff right, I will already select my bulb. Before I was grouping that, but also I was deleting part from the model, so isn't again grouped, but okay, I think we can select it like this, and again group it. I can leave it like group. Can go with copy. Oh. Okay, try to make it straight. And after we can tune the position more. Now probably these bulbs you even don't use anymore at home, but if you know how to do this bulb, like there is not a problem to do any other. Oops. But I just want to go straight down, and you see, nice and fit. So yeah, the good size of that. So we have the first part of the lamp. Now let's go to front again. So again, we'll probably do a cylinder. Why not? And again, start the shape of a cylinder. Now we'll just put from here how it's big. Now we can name it lamp 2 and change the color. The sides are fine, and again convert to poly, because it's really just a stick, and after there are just a few details. Now put it here, and this we can put here. Okay, the detail on the top and at the bottom actually is looking the same. Now let's do it like at the same time. So I will just hit Ctrl A, hold down Alt and deselect the polys in the middle, and I will have selected the bottom and the top poly. Now I will check my bevel tool and make a little bevel away. Now this I will do 2 times. Now I go straight, and again 2 times I will go inside. Okay, probably this the second one a little bit more. Well, just this one here, because probably there is anyway nothing else, and we did it twice. Now here we'll do something more. We'll go to insert, and we will do insert, apply, second insert. Too much. Now we'll extrude this away. Oops, I forgot that here we can go also different way. Wow. Oh, okay, it's probably too much, but it's up to you how big it will be. So, still selected this shape here, Control Edge, Z to zoom on that. I hope I don't have selected both now. Yeah, I have. Oh, doesn't matter. Okay, actually, no, it's fine. I will just deselect that here on the top. Now I understand why it was like that. So we'll apply chamfer for the one of the smallest. Yep. Now let's turn off all the eggs. Now here again we need the chamfer. And now okay, sorry, one step back. We'll select. No, I will apply the chamfer here. This is fine. I will select this one, ring it, connect it once. Now I will select this and these polys here, ring them again, Control Poly, and I will do an extrude. I will go this time to the plus and very, very, very small value. Oh, like this. Now I need to chamfer this, this, and this poly inside. Loop it, chamfer. Let's go. This value, and we are done here at the bottom. Now let's select this edge and Z to zoom. Again, loop it and chamfer it. Now to the top, which I started to do, forgot that I had selected both. I will select the bottom poly and grow it 1, 2, 3. Delete, check border, select the border and cap it. Again, I have the top what I need. Now let's go to front and Z to zoom. Now we need to do this shape here. Now there are probably a lot of ways how to do that. We could use just extruding and rotating, maybe hinge from edge would be nice, but why to make the job like difficult? Let's just do a spline. So we'll do a line from here and we'll try to copy the major bendings of this shape. But we don't want that this will be a spline. What to do? So I will convert it just to the spline. And now I will select again the verts inside and convert them to poly Bezier, and it's looking horrible. Okay, Bezier corner, and let's try to make it straight. Not actually straight, but like smooth. And you can play and play with this, like to the time when you are satisfied with the result. You can make it a little bit edgy to be looking more real, of course, but it's up to you. Now sometimes I have a big problem because cannot move yes, no, in one axis. I don't know why it is, but never mind. Okay, we have here the line. Now I think no, we need to select the poly here. So I will select it like dragging here the selection and deselect the rest. Now we have a nice function here, extrude along a spline. So let's try it. Now we'll pick a spline. Yeah, wonderful. Now two less edges, of course. We want more, and I will also explain why a little bit later. So I will use 32 splines. Nice and smooth, and also a little bit edgy. Well, like, why not? Now you can here rotate it and make a nice effect like this. I like it. But you can, if you want. Also, you can use this taper, like. Okay, I will not tell how it's looking. And extrude, like there is not so much and there is more. Like a lot of functions which you can use. I don't know what is this. Yeah, these are like a little bit more. Okay, I will use this one. Align, okay. Now again you can use rotation. Okay, I will not tell what else you can use, you can probably see it. Now, I will apply this and I will check like this is fine, fine, fine. Here I will connect these ones. And now I will select, try to select, I don't know why or how. I think side by side. I will okay, I will ring the edges, all of them. Okay, not all of them. I don't want to ring this one and the rest here down. I will loop it. Also, I don't want these edges here. Loop it. I will deselect one more here, and I will apply extrude. Now, first of all, I will put here 0 and 0, and now we'll go with a small value like this, and make a shape like that. Now again, I will ring that. Deselect here at the bottom, at the top or the bottom. It's how you're looking on that, and also deselect this here and the ones at the bottom. And this one I will chamfer. I will use this value, I think, and I will have here a nice interesting shape which you can bend. And now I just need to do this one here. So still select at the bottom, we will use bevel, and I'm not by the reference, but I don't think this should be much a problem to model just from looking at that. Of course, I like it most to really model by reference. You're not looking after like is the size okay or it should be bigger, smaller, and like that should be more or less always sure that okay, it should be fine. Now let's do the second part. Should be bigger. Come on. And now a little bit straight. And one more and we are done so far. Okay, like this. Now let's rotate this a little bit and set that. And like before, probably I will not be able to do it from this view like before. But the first one I should be able. We'll go back and again make the inside. I don't know why I can't select that, but also it's also quick just by doing it like that. Can we quickly make the inside of the shape? Oops, much of the lamp or of the part of the lamp, and one more. I did two more. Okay, one back. Okay, now I will drink something. Okay, sorry. Now, again, let's turn off all the eggs. Okay, the inside. Oh, why not? You can do it right away. So we'll again make a quick shape here. This should be able to make. We should be able to make it now from the. No, for sure not from that view, but doesn't matter. So we'll make now from this view a few bubbles, just a shape, what you probably will like. Something inside, something just straight, and again we'll go inside and just to make the shape which you really like, and we'll hope it will fit also the bulb. Actually, we can, I think, make the bulb now smaller to fit the shape. I don't remember if they do also bulbs. Maybe not, maybe yes. Doesn't matter much. So also I will already transfer this one here. Now select this, loop it, make a small extrude. We can do value like this one. Loop it, transfer this too much. 0.2, yeah, it's better. This, and the same I will do here. Like, it's not just connected, but there is some geometry between, or some mechanism or stuff like that. Small transfer. Okay, quick done this shape. And the last thing which we have to do is to make the joints. Oh, sorry, I had to drink again. How to do it in the best way? Again, it's really up to you. There's more ways to do that. Already in some ways you will have less headache and stuff like that. But secondly, okay, I'm back. Some have more advantage, some not. Now, for the cable here, I'm sure you can do it yourself very easily. Same like this. And the box, okay. I will not do that. I will select my main model here and attach it to the small one. Better, I will attach the small one to the big one. No. Select these edges here, and I will do connect. Now the connect will be not straight, like here is a line, here is a line. I will select scale tool, and it will not help me. Okay, my bad. That one not for my angle. Okay, I will use my slice tool. So here should be quick slice. I don't want a quick slice. I want to slice plane. Okay, here is it. I will make a slice plane. I'll make a slice here. And the second one I will do here at the bottom. Slice. Now just select the vertex, control edge. Okay, not. Select the edges for new shapes. Select this one, loop them. Now the same do here. Loop. Now move them a little bit down. Both of them at once. Now let's take the chamfer tool and make the size how it should be big. And now it depends. Like, is this part on the left big than on the right? Actually, I will not think so. I think they are the same. So I will do it like this. Now I will select this one here and this one here. First of all, rotate it a little bit. Okay. First of all, I will move the models next to each other. Select by element my second lamp. Go to left view, place it in the middle. Back to front. And the body. And again, let's select them. Or we can do it just by one. And copy it. So we'll select this one here. Now, holding down Shift and the Scale tool, I'll scale it a little bit away, but not much, just like a little bit. I will clone it to an object. And now I will select my new object, and I didn't probably, no. And I will check border, and I have selected both borders here. I will go to some view to see something like this one here. Now, Control Edge to just go to edges, scale again, hold down Shift again, and scale. As you can see, we're making the shape here. So like this. Now, select again these bodies, and again hold down Shift and scale them away. Okay, scale them away, but just in one axis. So the best here would be to go to maybe top, Z to zoom on that, but we can see that. So I will hide my lamp, hide my bulb, and go here. So again, hold on Shift and scale it. Scale it until it touches the edges. Clone it to an element. Front Z. And now, again, I'm scaling into axis or what? Doesn't matter. Scale it also down. Now hit flip. Okay. Vertex, Control A, and weld. Weld the value too much, like this. You see, we lost more than 100 words. It was the double here, what we when we was doing the shape. So let's hit OK. Now the last thing is we need to make a bridge here, like to join this and that. So I will try to select some polys here. Let's go to top and Z to zoom. So these I probably need more than just these three. Just thinking how the best will to be to join them. So probably I will connect this and this one. And now it absolutely straight to me. So let's move it a little bit to fit this position. And now we can try to make the connection. So I'll select the polys like this. And now with holding Alt, one more, deselect the top ones. I'll try to make a bridge. Great. So I did a quick connection between my shapes. And now I need to do just a few chamfers. So first of all, I will probably chamfer this one here, the corners. Five edges. I select one more. Deselect. And let's do the chamfer. Okay, not just this one, it's fine. Now let's select the top and the bottom edges here all around. Also here, I forgot. On the top the same. And again, we'll do chamfer. Now we can do a double chamfer. So I will keep it like it is, apply, and go with a value not like, let's try 1. And with a nice smooth shape here. Now unhide all. This should fit. The second one should be a little bit away. And let's move it to the right position from our view. And we'll select this joint here. Will affect the pivot to the center. Why not? And hold on Shift, drag it down, copy, and we are done. Now you see again. Oops, cancel. It wasn't so hard actually. Of course, not smart but quick. And again, without much problems, no problems, we did the shape very quickly and make again a nice lamp. Left set move it here inside, and yeah, we need to scale this down to something like this. Oops. Set perspective. Let's try perspective. And yeah, it's fine. Okay, our second lamp is done. Unfreeze all, and I can delete this. We can F4 and delete also this one here, and as you can see again, we have a nice lamp done very quickly. Nice of details. This looks a little bit strange. No, it's not strange, but it could be better, of course. But it's up to you how you play with the details and so on. So anyway, okay, I will not do the third lamp right now. I think why not to keep this like shorter parts. Anyway, I think already it's 40 minutes or something. So, 2 lamps, looking nice, I think. Okay, we can try here the smooth modifier. Turn off Alt X, just apply the smooth modifier. Auto smooth, and we have a nice smooth shape, also without subdivision. Now, let's try subdivision. The same. Okay, now it's smooth, of course. But again, you can use that or that. It's on the render, you know. If you will make a render and the lamp will be like, I don't know, distance like this, you don't have to use subdivision. If it will be like this, okay, why not? So you have the way of choose here. We can check the poly. Okay, we have a lot of polys, but it's I think because this one here, also this keep take a lot of and stuff like that. So, but for 2 lamps and 4 bulbs, just this, the modifier is the same. I think it's fine. Of course, you can always try to make it less and less, but just for 3 lamps, we will have like 30,000 polygons. Absolutely great. Okay, so we have 2 lamps. I didn't did the wire here. Maybe I will do it later by my models. I don't know. You can do it very easily, you saw. And in the next part I will do the 3rd lamp and probably start the materials or stuff like that. So thanks for watching and see you in the next part. Bye bye.